Just finished a job in Qualicum Beach. Move this gate back from the post here. New 12-foot gate, properly braced. Moved it back because otherwise the vehicle would have to stop on that bridge. And then move the gate. Move the fence line at the left there, and I put this bump out so they can have a barbecue in it. And I drilled the holes and put those posts there loosely so he can cement them in later and cut the fence. And then we've got a cross fence here up to the end with the 10-foot gate, 125 feet, and then 230 feet, 2 cross fences with a 10-foot gate each going across the field here. And then you can see the next one up by those poplars going across to that 10-foot gate there. And then just behind it, you can see a 4-foot gate going into the old fenced corridor up the side. And there you have it. Simon's Fencing in Qualicum Beach. And there we are going back out. Done. Good timing. It's now pouring with rain. Bye.